on, go on. You can do it. You can do it. I can see myself. I can see myself better. Hello, camera. Can't wait to go to the beach. Excited for today? Oh my god. And I thought we packed a lot. Like, we each have a big backpack.
Yeah.
They must be going with a tent.
Yeah. Also, there's a place where you take the funny train.
That iced matcha looks nice in the picture at least. So
Yes.
I've just seen now they got so many plants up there on that building.
Yes.
Can that be? Wonder if they can see it there. Well, we'll see later. If not, we'll just cut it. Or not the plant, the clip. No, normally when you go on next to beaches, there's not much vegetation like here.
Yeah.
In here, it's a lot.
Yes, like that.
Yeah. And it's not just palm trees, it's everything. Flowers, other trees. Oh, the healthy ones.
Yes.
Oh, look at them. They look amazing as well. Lovely.
Thank you.
Thank you. Lovely. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that beauty. Iced coffee. No, iced cappuccino. Iced cappuccino. Iced matcha. What's that they put on under?
Strawberry.
Oh, yeah, you said strawberry. Oh, strawberry matcha, yeah. Oh, they put, how do you say that in English? Caster sugar? Icing sugar. Yeah, how's that?
Mine is sweet.
Sweet.
You want to try?
Oh, this is sweet. Yes, I'll give it a go. Do you want to give this a go? It's not sweet. But it actually has strong taste of strawberry,
Yeah.
which is nice. And it's not that sweet.
Let's try this.
Yes, let's hope they should give you something. Let's see if we guess the taste.
Mm-hmm.
You're lucky.
Oh my goodness.
I hope you got the recipe now.
This is so big. I'm tempted to take another one, but it's enough.
Speak for yourself.
What do you mean?
I have to take 5 more. Wonder what it is, a mosque or what? Oh look, they have a theater here. Or they had a theater. Whee, here. Go left, yeah. Oh, this is the... So, I've seen this. This is called the Sunset Point of view. It's beautiful. Hello. It's a nice place, isn't it? and listen to the sea. What? Sorry, ocean. That's the Atlantic Ocean. Jack, Jack, come back, Jack. Here we are looking. Well, Praia dos Três Castelos. Bathing system, 1st of June, 30 September. Right, let's go.
Where are we?
Where are we? Where I'm guessing here. Yes, it's here, but it says I. You see? Clasificado da qualidade da água excelente. Oh, excellent bathing water quality. Huh? Let's go. Alberto, they have food as well. And toilets on site. Oh, I don't like these stairs. That you need to step 2 times on one step. It's so stupid.
They need to step up with the stairs.
They need to step up with the stairs. Yes, they need better stair control. Oh, don't like these. Just do one on one. So annoying. It's just a struggle. There you go. That's better. One at a time. What's the point of making long steps? Oh, not again. They're longer again. Not too long.
Yeah.
Well, now, so they can see who's complaining about these weird steps. Why making long steps? Look at them. Look at them. What's the point? What's the point? Why make a step? Should probably mention that. Maybe because my leg's acting up that I don't like this. I said it might be because of my leg acting up that I don't like these stairs. But no, it's just...
I don't like them as well, and I have no problem with my legs.
Alright, so it is just a stupid design, isn't it?
Yes.
Right. I'm glad we agree. Now we can just walk the beach. How's that? And then we can set a place to camp. To sunbathe. Oh my god, this burns. This sun burns today. Yesterday wasn't that bad. Hello. Oh my god. Hey, where you go? Hope I filmed it right, and I hope we can get up through here. If not, we'll have to keep on going and going and going and going. I keep on falling. Yeah, there's people going up there. I see them. I can see them. Yes. Wanted to listen to them sing. Ah, let's go on this side because no, not here. He's not here. Oh, look at all them seagulls sitting, praying for some food. That I just noticed those towers on that building.
Yes,
Have you
very,
seen?
very Turkish.
Yeah, I wonder if the Turks invaded here at one point. It does look very Turkish. What? The empire was big, wasn't it?
Yes, well,
Did they come all the way here or not?
yeah.
I think so. Oh, look, there was another set of stairs there. See that one there? Is this like a gym kind of park? We come here, we do some workout. Yes, yes. Yes, yes. Just wish this phone had the option to swap the camera when it's recording. It's not. Let's not have it. Right, let's go up. Let's go up. Let's go up. This is a nice place to go up. I like this better than the other stairs. Oh, these are nice. Listen, this. Oh, there's a pool as well for kids. Lovely. Oh, and another pool. One there One here. Wait, are we in the right place? Huh?
We're not supposed to be here.
Yeah, I think we're not supposed to be here either. Let's keep on going and see. No, no exit. Oh, hello. 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 So beautiful. Okay, cool. Okay, we need to find our way out. Hello.
Hola.
Hey, can I see him?
So precious, ain't you?
That's aloe vera. Oh, that's massive. That's massive. No, that's not what she said.
This is the
No.
plants that my grandma had in the front garden, and then cancer came and said she's not allowed to grow them.
Oh, illegal. Oh, I
Yeah.
remember that. Yeah, yeah, that was last, no, 2 years ago.
Yeah.
2 years ago. 2 years ago. Should have taken the stick. Well, what happened? These are the guys that went to save. Can someone tell us what he said? I think these are the guys that were on the boat. Why are they going faster? Hello?